Seek the kingdom first, have a holy thirst, recognizing that the things of the world, they will never last. They're an inferior class to the promises of the world. Oh, all I need is you, Lord, to become what I'm meant to be. Oh, all I need is you, Lord, to make it to eternity. The most important thing I've learned in this life that's pure and real and true is our relationship and the understanding that all I need is you. I am influenced by a higher realm that relies on invisible things, where it's not being weak when you become meek and can turn the other cheek. When redeeming love that flows from above is what your motive is to the end, not to be getting back when you are attacked, even by those you call your brothers and friends. Oh, all I need is you, Lord, to become what I'm meant to be. Oh, all I need is you, Lord, to make it to eternity. The most important thing I've learned in this life that's pure and real and true is our relationship and the understanding that all I need is you. Now, if you want to go beyond the curtain of time, you will have to make up your mind that nothing defiled can enter there, nothing less than love divine. And when offenses come and your filio's done and you reach the end of human love, you'll need a higher spark that flows from the heart. Only agape love will qualify. Oh, all I need is you, Lord, to become what I'm meant to be. Oh, all I need is you, Lord, to make it to eternity. The most important thing I've learned in this life that's pure and real and true is our relationship and the understanding that all I need is you. Now, if you want to go beyond the curtain of time, you will have to make up your mind that nothing divine can enter there, nothing less than love divine. And when offenses come and your filio's done and you reach the end of human love, you need a higher spark that flows from the heart. Only agape love will qualify. Oh, all I need is you, Lord, to become what I'm meant to be. Oh, all I need is you, Lord, to make it to eternity. The most important thing I've learned in this life that's pure and real and true relationship